Let me tell you the story of Kashmir. It is a beautiful land in the Himalayas, known for its mountains, lakes, and valleys, but also for being at the heart of one of the most complicated and long-running conflicts in the world. It all goes back to 1947, when British India was divided into two countries, India and Pakistan. Now, here is the tricky part. There were hundreds of princely states that had been semi-independent under British rule. They were given a choice: join India, join Pakistan, or try to remain independent. The princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, which had a majority Muslim population but a Hindu ruler, decided to stay independent, at least at first. But independence did not last long. In October of that same year, tribal fighters from Pakistan crossed into Kashmir, trying to push it to join Pakistan. The ruler, Maharaja Hari Singh, panicked. He asked India for help. India agreed, but only if Kashmir officially joined India. So he signed the instrument of accession, and Indian troops were flown in. That sparked the first war between India and Pakistan. By the time the shooting stopped in 1949, Kashmir was split in two. India controlled the larger part, including the famous Kashmir Valley, and Pakistan held the rest, which it still calls Azad Kashmir. The United Nations stepped in and said, let the people decide. Hold a vote, a plebiscite. But that vote never happened. Both sides blamed each other, and the status of Kashmir froze in place. But it did not get any calmer. India and Pakistan fought more wars over Kashmir in 1965 and again in 1971. And then came the late 1980s. Discontent boiled over. People in Indian-administered Kashmir were frustrated with corruption, broken promises, and a rigged election. Protests turned into an armed insurgency. Some wanted independence. Others wanted to join Pakistan. India sent in the military. It has been a tense and heavily militarized region ever since. In 2019, the Indian government made a big move. It revoked Article 370 of its constitution. That article had given Jammu and Kashmir a kind of special status, its own constitution and autonomy. India removed it and split the state into two union territories. The government said it was about development and integration. Critics said it was about control, and that it would only deepen the conflict. Pakistan was furious. The people of Kashmir were left in the middle. And if that was not enough, China also controls a piece of the region called Aksai Chin, which India claimed. So now you have three nuclear powers, all touching this little corner of the world. At the heart of it, the Kashmir conflict is about many things: religion, national identity, historical wounds, and yes, geopolitics. But above all, it is about people. Millions of Kashmiris caught between governments, armies, borders, and broken promises, still waiting for a future they can shape for themselves.